Hey kids, are you ready to have some fun? Today we're going to sing and craft together. Grab your favorite grown-up because safety first. Let's start with our first project. Paper plate tambourines. First, you'll need 2 paper plates, some beans, and colorful markers. Ready? Let's sing our tambourine song while we craft. Shake, 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 it's time to create. Color your plates and make them great. Color those plates any way you like. Use all the colors of the rainbow. Once you're done, place a handful of beans on one plate. Now put the other plate on top and staple or tape the edges together. Give it a shake. Hear that? You just made a tambourine. All right, now let's move to our next project. Sock puppets. Grab an old sock, some buttons, yarn, and glue. Here comes our sock puppet song. Socks on our hands, let's make new friends. Buttons for eyes, yarn for surprise. Put your hand in the sock and decide where the eyes should go. Glue the buttons on for eyes and use yarn to make hair. You can even draw a mouth with a marker. Now give your puppet a name. Hello, new friend. Finally, let's make some paper cup telephones. You'll need 2 paper cups and a long piece of string. Ready for the song? Paper cups and string. What fun they'll bring. Talk to me and we'll see. Poke a small hole in the bottom of each paper cup. Thread the string through the holes and tie knots to keep it in place. Now you and a friend can hold the cups and talk to each other. Isn't that cool? Great job, everyone! You made 3 awesome crafts today. Don't forget to show your grown-ups and friends. Thanks for singing and crafting with me. See you next time for more fun projects and songs. Bye!